Hello guys, today I will show you how to hide your Amazon order history. So open the Amazon and log in the website. Like find your account, enter your mobile number and email address. Then enter the OTP. Then continue and you show the option like your order and you show the option like return an order. So tap on it. Then your order history is show and you show the option like average and tap on it like right corner and tap the arrivage option. You show the option and your order is successfully hide.